guys, today I am going to show you how to book your signal exam by BHARATKOSH. So let's start. First we have to search BHARATKOSH government. Then we will go to the BHARATKOSH website. After going to the BHARATKOSH website, this is how it looks in October 2021, and as we will scroll down, we will see this login and register. If you want to make account on the BHARATKOSH, then you can log in here, or if you want someone have a account on it, login, otherwise you can register here. But I will show you another method by which without login you can pay for your signal exam fee. So here we will go non-registered user, like it is a guest mode. So we'll click here. It will direct us to the payment portal. So for signal exam, this one be individual purpose. We have to choose by clicking on the search button. It will take little bit time. So in the ministry, it is written ministry, we have to select shipping. Then for the purpose, we have to again click on the search button. See, for like purpose, from here we have to choose. Like if you are giving from MMD Mumbai, like you want to give the signal exam at MMD Mumbai, then choose payment to MMD Mumbai, exam fee payable to PAO shipping Mumbai. Otherwise, like if you are from like Kochi, MMD Kochi, then Mumbai payment to MMD Kochi. For Kolkata, payment to MMD Kandala, and this is Kandala. Then for Chennai, if you are from Chennai, you want to give signal at Chennai, then examination fee for PAO shipping Kolkata, payment to MMD Chennai. Otherwise, respective MMD you have to choose. So I want to give it Chennai, so I will click on here, payment to MMD Chennai, PAO shipping Kolkata. Then we have to do nothing here, only just write the payment amount, that is 1000 rupees. After writing that, here we have to write the remark. So in remark you need to write like a signal exam for date. You write the respective date, like say that it is on 30th of October. So I will write for 30 October OCT 2021 at 2021 MMD Chennai. Okay, like this you have to write. After writing, you will get a captcha. Enter the captcha. Signal exam fee, just write here signal exam fee for 30th October MMD Chennai. Okay, then I put the captcha here. Click on add. It will direct to the next step. Here you just check this, whatever you have 1000 rupees. Okay, if you want to add something, like but we need not to add, so don't do anything here, just click on next. After clicking on next, here we have to type like your name, address, country, state, which are given in asterisks. That red asterisks and star, that are important to fill. The rest are not important. Okay guys, I put my details, and then you have to put your captcha. Click on next. have account. Like if I want to do from SBI, I will choose SBI, and there it will give the option for debit card, credit card, UPI, net banking. So if you want, you are comfortable with anyone, you can choose. Like a debit card you want to choose, then you can choose debit card. But I will going to do with net banking, and State Bank I have chosen. So I will choose State Bank again here. Okay, State Bank. User charge, there will be charge of 3.50 rupees. So again put the captcha. So after putting the captcha, and you have to click on the acknowledgement. After clicking the acknowledgement, then you have to click on the pay. Then you will be directed to the payment. You log into your internet bank account, then you make the payment. I will show you the receipt how it looks.